Huge bull moose. He's got a nice rack on him. I was videoing it just a second ago, but the video shut off. I'm riding on my moto and saw him in the corner of my eye. I'm on a back road, no one else is up here, so he's just pleasantly sitting, and I'm probably 25 feet away from him, trying to get you where you can see the rack. I'll throw this rock at him. I'm behind this tree for safety because they can't see, so they'll charge. Hey! Sneaky motherfucker. Now I got to get back to my motorcycle, which is right there. It's kind of sneaky because if I get out in the open, like that charge right there, he could get me. So I'm trying to sneak up there. His horns got points all on them. I'm gonna leave him alone. He can't see me.